Welcome to Wonder Show TV, where we share extraordinary stories about our extraordinary life, world, and universe.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Quick question. Have you ever tried to fake it till you make it? You know, forced a smile when you were feeling down, hoping it would actually cheer you up. It sounds intuitive, right? This idea is called the facial feedback hypothesis. The theory that your facial expressions can literally feed back to your brain and influence how you feel. Smile more, feel happier. It's a concept that goes way back, even hinted at by Charles Darwin. And for decades, one super famous, kinda quirky experiment seemed to prove it. Picture this, 1988. Researchers Strack, Martin, and Stepper had a clever idea. They couldn't just tell people to smile. That would give the game away. So, they had participants hold a pen in their mouth. Group 1 held it with their teeth like this. Try it yourself. This uses the exact muscles involved in smiling. Group 2 held it gently with their lips like this. By forcing a pout, this prevents you smiling. Try it. While holding the pen, everyone looked at Gary Larson's Far Side cartoons. You know, the weird, hilarious ones. And rated how funny they were. And the results? Mind blown. The smiling group, the ones holding the pen with their teeth, actually rated the cartoons as significantly funnier than the pouting group. This experiment became legendary. It was cited everywhere, taught in psychology 101 classes worldwide as solid proof of the facial feedback hypothesis. It seemed so simple, so elegant. Case closed, right? Well, hold on to your pens, because plot twist. In science, one study, even a famous one, isn't the final word. We need replication. Other scientists need to be able to repeat the experiment and get the same results. And recently, psychology has been taking a hard look at itself, finding that some classic results don't always replicate. So, a huge team of researchers decided to put this classic pen-in-mouth study to the ultimate test. We're talking 17 different labs across the globe, nearly 2,000 participants. They followed the original procedure closely but added modern rigor. They pre-registered their methods, locking in the plan beforehand. And they even video recorded participants to make sure they held the pens correctly. This was a massive, carefully coordinated effort to see if that famous smiling effect was real. The world held its breath. The data came in. And the result? Nothing. Zilch. Nada. Across almost 2,000 people in 17 labs, holding a pen in your teeth to simulate a smile did not make the cartoons any funnier compared to holding it with the lips. The original, famous effect completely vanished under this intense scrutiny. Okay, what does this mean? Does it mean smiling doesn't make you happy after all? Well, it's complicated. This study casts serious doubt on that specific, influential pen-in-mouth demonstration of facial feedback. Why did it fail to replicate? The researchers suggest a few things. 1. Maybe the original 1988 result was just a statistical fluke, a false positive. It happens. 2. Maybe people are different now, more aware of psychological studies. 3. Maybe being video recorded made people self-conscious, drowning out any subtle effect from the pen. It's super important to note. This doesn't automatically disprove the entire facial feedback hypothesis. There's other research, using different methods, like studies on Botox preventing frowning. That still suggests a link between expressions and emotions. But what this does show, incredibly clearly, is how science is supposed to work. It's a process of testing, retesting, questioning, and self-correcting. Replication isn't about tearing down old studies. It's about building a stronger, more reliable foundation for knowledge. So, while forcing a smile with a pen might not magically make cartoons funnier, the story of this experiment and its replication is a fascinating glimpse into the messy, rigorous, an ultimately rewarding process of scientific discovery. What do you think? Have you ever felt like forcing a smile actually helped your mood? Does this result surprise you? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and keep questioning.
And before you go, remember to click the subscribe button and share Wonder Show TV with friends and family. We have so many extraordinary stories to tell you. Until the next time.